pictures off of there, didn't you, Neil?
No, this is the one I was using. Okay, hold this. Sequoia? Ah! You're gonna be a big star. No. Okay, get up. You dog.
No, she didn't know what you wanted.
Come here. Get up. Okay. That's right. I think we know what we're going to name this video. Dog that does not want to get up.
Dog does not want to get up.
Dog being a lazy bum. Sequoia, you like peanut butter, don't you? You like peanut butter, right? How do I open it? Oh God, Camille. Okay. Sequoia, you like peanut butter, right? You want peanut butter? Get up. You want peanut butter? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
You're confusing her.
Dog resisting, that's the name. Okay, can we please stop recording this? Because I think the thing's about to fall from my hands. That's better. Now keep holding. Come here. Come here. You want it? Here. Where are you? Okay. Right over here. You like it? You like it? You like it, right? You like it. Sequoia, come here. Are you ready? Come here, girl. How do we get her to stand up? But she's not moving. Sit. Down. Good girl. No.
Give it to her. Give it to her.
I'm trying to get her to roll over. Here. Okay. Okay. You like this, right? Okay. Go forward.
She's not going, Camille.
Okay, let it roll over. Come on. Okay, we can make 2 videos out of this. 1, trying to get a dog to roll over, and 2, trying to get a dog to sit.
She's sitting.
Sequoia. Like, get up from the beginning.
Okay, that's enough treats.
Okay.
Because you're going to spoil the dinner.
Okay, I'm going to stop recording.